Hello again, peeps. Welcome back to the Ore server. Can you guess which one of these plots is mine? Of course you guessed it. Here we are. More boring sandstone one. That one is not even claimed. But in any case, well, today I have a project preview for you. Now this project, considering my subs recently, will probably be released as my 100 special because there's still a lot to go on it. And it might actually even be late for 100 subs. That would be awesome. And I, first of all, just want to thank everybody for all of the support yesterday. For some reason, my subs skyrocketed then. I went from about 66 to over 80. That's quite a lot for me. So, yeah, thanks for that, everybody. Everybody who subbed, everybody who has subbed, and all that good stuff. In any case, today we're going, like I said, to be previewing a project that well, technically it works right now. It's not done. There are features I'm planning to add, all kinds of crazy stuff. And here it is, the most creative name ever. ICE GPU, otherwise known as ICE Graphical Processing Unit, which basically means a screen. It's a screen. Yep, today I've made a screen. A pretty simple one at the moment. I will just quickly show you. Right now, if we were to plot a point, after a moment, this pixel down here will show up. Now, these top levers here are irrelevant, but these 8 down here basically control where the pixel is plotted. So, for instance, say, if I wanted to plot at right here, a diagonal from it, then I would turn down this lever and this lever. And now if I plot, we will see that it shows up right there instead. Now, these numbers are once again inputted in binary. Now, again, if you don't understand binary, there are plenty of tutorials out there, so a lot of my builds from now on are going to use binary, so just get yourself acquainted with it, and I think it will help you understand the awesome redstone on my channel just a bit more. Now, that's the only real drawing function I've implemented so far. There is, of course, the screen clear. And that is very trippy. That is very strange. Why is that happening? I'll be right back. I accidentally set my repeater one tick off. And that's why redstone has to be perfect. Let me just attempt to show you the clear screen command again. There you go. So it just clears all the pixels off the screen. Now, like I said, these are inputted in binary. And you input where you want it to be, you want the pixel to be, using a coordinate grid. Now, this is about as simple as it gets, if you know the binary numbers. Basically, this is it on the x-axis, so horizontally. And this is where it's going to be on the y-axis, so vertically. So, for instance, down here would be 0, 0. And when nothing was in there, of course, it meant 0 and 0. Now, if I were to turn on all the levers, then it would be 15, 15, which is all the way up on the other corner. Alright, so that's fair enough. Nothing too overly complicated there. But the redstone, on the other hand, is a bit overcomplicated for what it does. That's because it's eventually going to implement filled rectangles, rectangles, line drawing, and circle drawing. Eventually. Circle drawing might not be finished by the time I hit 100, even if I take forever to do so, because circle drawing is immensely complicated. But let's go take a look at the redstone. And yeah, it's quite large, actually. There's a lot going on here, a lot of advanced binary stuff that I'll attempt to basically explain how it works for now. So, when you turn on those levers, they'll just get sent down these wires. And ignore these pistons, they're not important yet. And they'll go into these decoders here. Now, basically, a decoder takes a binary number and turns it into just a regular output, a single output for each possible number. And then these will go into our little screen mechanism here. Now, the way I've set the screen mechanism up is so that it will save it to this part here, which actually doesn't go directly to the screen. This is so that when I'm drawing lines, say, it's not like it's going to just send all the pixels in at once. It's going to calculate the pixels one by one. And so, the way I kind of got around people having to watch the line slowly appear in pixel by pixel is that it will go into this pit of memory first, meaning that this will just accumulate pixel by pixel. And then when the command is done, it will come down here, activate this wire over here, which will take it out, which will just unsave it from this part, and then save it back into this part. That way all the pixels will come in at the same time. If that didn't make too much sense, then look up... Oops, sorry. Again, I have the Norton Internet Security high CPU usage thing. But, yeah, if you don't understand that, look up buffers. Basically, it's a memory buffer. But yeah, this will be my 100 subscriber special, and I'll be probably doing a speed draw of a creeper face on it and stuff like that. Should be very nice. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm not going to be releasing a download until the project is finished, although technically, well, this is as much as normal Minecraft GPUs really do. So, it's technically, it could be considered finished, but I am not done. I will add so much more that your mind will be blown. In any case, as I said before, I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, well, a lot of redstone. Bye now.